And like you said, I think I saw, I can't remember, I was watching it the other day. It's like, life is not as hard as what people make it out to
It's
be.
not. It's not as hard as people make it out to be. And at the end of the day, yeah, there are gonna be hard times in your life. You're gonna have some low points and that. But I think people, they put hurdles in way that what I don't know in it, but they just make life harder than it is. Yeah, they just, by not staying focused and disciplined and that. By you flip flopping and jumping from 5 different courses and that. If you just stuck to one course,
You'd be alright.
the amount of time you've wasted jumping from this to this to this. I know so many guys as well, man, that, yeah, I don't even want to say this, but man that I know who are 31 years old, 32 years old, and they're still trying to find something. Blood, when you saw me doing my apprenticeship at the age of 19, 20 and that, a couple of years later, you should have said, you know what, I should do that as well.
Yeah.
They would have been cool. They would have been a plumber or a gas engineer making £200-300 a day. But instead, they're jumping around and that, and now they're still broke.
Trying to find
still living
something,
at their
yeah.
mum's house at age 32 with no plans to leave, you know.
Damn. So it's, in other words, stay focused.
You got to.
Stay focused. Stay in that lane.